Seeds of Growth by Shawnette Charles. The morning sun peeked through the snow-covered trees, casting a golden glow on the Hill family's neighborhood. Inside, the house was filled with the comforting scent of cinnamon tea and the soft crackle of the fireplace. The Hill family was gathered in the living room, enjoying a quiet moment together before the day began. On the table, the Kenora stood proudly from last night's ceremony. Its black Umoja candle, red candle for Kujichagulia, and green candle for Ujamaa glowed brightly. Suddenly, Mr. Hill cleared his throat and smiled at his family. Today is Ujamaa, he said, holding up a small packet of seeds. It's about cooperative economics, working together and sharing to build a better community. So, who's ready for a special project? Bakari's eyes lit up. What kind of project, Daddy? Mr. Hill grinned. We're going to make seed packets to share with our neighbors. These seeds can grow into flowers or vegetables that will brighten their homes and their lives. That's a great idea, exclaimed Thema. We can decorate the packets and write notes about how to care for the plants. I want to draw flowers on mine, said Enzi. And I'll use stickers, Bakari added, already bouncing with excitement. Perfect, said Mrs. Hill. Let's get to work. The family headed to the dining room table, ready. As the family worked together, the table filled with colorful seed packets, each tied with ribbons in red, black, and green. These look amazing, said Mrs. Hill, holding up two of the finished packets. They're like little gifts of hope, said Thema. They'll make everyone happy, said Enzi, smiling as she added the last ribbon to her packet. As they walked through the snowy neighborhood, the Hills shared their seed packets with their neighbors. This is Ujamaa, said Mr. Hill, smiling as Bakari handed a packet to Mrs. Johnson. It's about working together and sharing with others to help our community grow. And just like these seeds, we're planting kindness and care, added Mrs. Hill. Later that evening, it was time for the Kwanzaa ceremony. The black Umoja candle glowed in addition to a red one for Kujichagulia and a green one for Ujamaa. Habari Gani? Asked Mr. Hill. Ujamaa, the family responded in unison. Thema helped her mother light the second red candle. We light this candle to honor Ujamaa, working together to build and share wealth within our community, said Mrs. Hill. Later, as the family rested together, Mr. Hill said, when we work together and share, we're planting seeds of kindness and growth in our community. That's what makes Ujamaa so special, added Mrs. Hill. And as the candles flickered softly, the Hill family felt grateful for the joy of creating and sharing something that could grow into something even greater. How can you support your family, friends, or community today? Thank you for joining us on this Kwanzaa adventure. Make sure to watch all the episodes. Looking for more ways to celebrate Black history or understand your personal energy and natural gifts? Check out Seymour Press for our Kwanzaa guides, learning with the Black History Twist academic workbooks, and Zodiac Energy, Sun Vibes, and Moon Illuminations journal series. And don't forget to subscribe to our Gifted Black Child YouTube channel. Get inspired, get creative, keep growing with C-Man Press.